So, ayan na nga guys. We're going to Love Lake in Alquadra. There's a lot of flamingo over there. See? So nice there. And it's free. You will not pay anything. Just bring your car and tent and food. See? Ang dami nila. It's so nice, especially these days in UAE. Ang dami nila. See? It's season for flamingos. But it's really a flamingo lake. Love Lake in Alquadra. It's so super nice there. It's quiet, especially in the night. See, they're so beautiful. Ang dami nila. The place is huge. So, people are going there, especially this winter time. And that's our tent from that side. So I'm just walking a little bit to see the beauty inside.
Ang gansa pala to.
Tapos yan, may mga ducks na din. May mga gansa na din. I don't know what's the name of that. Sorry. See, there's a lot of cars, tent. You can see also there. See, I drink coffee as well. It's amazing. It's cool. Coffee is life. In the morning. Then, na-picture na din kami. Ay, video pala. With my friends, families, and churchmate. After that, umuwi kami ng early. Around 8 o'clock. Kasi may duty pa. Thank you.